Ken from Willowbrook has a question about a leaky heater.
Well, he's actually worried about his water heater developing a leak, Tom. He's kind of
there's other things to worry about.
Ken's getting ahead of it here. He
Okay.
says, although the outer covering of the metal shroud appears to be just fine, I can't access the outside of the actual tank, he says, of the water heater to inspect it routinely. But we tend to find these small flecks, and he sent us a picture here. You see the little flecks here? I love and Ken, I love the ruler because it gives us some idea of the scale here of how big these are. But these little flecks, he says, the specs, they're magnetic, he says, and they land on the floor underneath the unit. And he wonders, should he just go ahead and consider a proactive replacement because of that?
No, but I do like the scale. When I got shot, I had bullet holes in me, and I put a little dime next to the hole so people can see what it looks like, how big it was. But
yeah, that was weeks ago, though.
Yeah, that was weeks ago.
All right.
Anyway, no, don't worry about it. It's probably just a little schmutz coming out from inside where the burner is. It has a little shaft, and that's where the heat goes up when the burners kick on. So it's nothing. It's just a little, yeah. No, you can't. There's no way for you to know. Unless you become, what was it, the Incredible Journey, when they got in this little spaceship?
Fantastic Voyage.
Fantastic Voyage. Yeah. And they went through the person's body. That's what you'd have to do.
Raquel Welch.
That's right.
They shrunk down Raquel Welch and put him inside a man. Yes. Those guys who did the Gillette ad would freak out if you tried that today.
God, I didn't even think of that.
Right.
Anyway, you can't do that in your water heater, so just don't worry about it. It's fine.
All right, there you go. You want a question? You want an answer? We'll help you out. Just send it to us. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over yonder. And click your bell and subscribe. We appreciate it. And we'll let you know when we post a new one.